Yep everyone, a few weeks ago when Deadlock sent me all these locks, he also sent me this like retractable keychain because the spring inside is really good for shims, so I thought what I'd do is I'd take it apart and we'll have a look, see what it's like. Almost there, almost there. Right. Oh, that's a nice little spring. I'll tell you what we'll do is, right, where's my snips? Let's see, shall we? Perfect size. Oh yeah, that's actually alright. A little flexible like, but a lot better than this one I usually have. Nice stiff made out of steel, which does work, but it's a little tight, you see? Tight there. On this side it's perfectly fine. But that's brilliant. So, if you're a shackle man, you're into escaping handcuffs, go get yourself one of them retractable key rings, take the spring out, perfect little spring stock. So yeah, thanks for that Deadlocked, it's brilliant. Yeah, thanks for watching, see you all next time.